Yeah guys, join me out again. I'm at another fishery today. This is a lovely little lake. Today I'm winter fishing with maggots on a float. The tactic today, a lot of people are saying, is be a plummet off the bottom with a single maggot. So that's what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. I've fished this fishery before, but I've blanked, so I don't really come back. So I'll give it another go in the winter and we'll see how it goes. Lovely job, see you in a bit. Just a quick one guys, this is why you should always carry a first aid kit with you on the bank. This wasn't done with a knife or a hook or anything, this was actually done with a tin of sweet corn. About 20 minutes into the session, so I'm going to try and clean it up and do the best I can to stop it bleeding, because it's bleeding. It's quite bleeding, so I might have to go and ask the guys if they got like a plaster or something, because it's like it's been going for about 10 minutes. So alright, sweet, switch in a bit. How's it going guys? So we're back out on the lake after yesterday. I'll put that into the video what actually happened. So if anyone don't watch it, I cut my thumb open on a tin. Didn't have a first aid kit with me. It wasn't a deep cut, but it was the fact that I had no plasters or nothing, and it was just pouring blood everywhere, and it was just uncomfortable. So I don't want to be handling fish with an open wound and all that stuff. So I thought I'd come back after getting all plastered up and that, and we'll see how it goes. I'm fishing about 3-4 foot out with a little insert waggler, and it's literally about an inch over depth, because we've got a bit of surface tow because of the wind, and I'm fishing a single maggot with sprinkling about 5 maggots every probably about 10-15 minutes just to get the fish going. We'll see how it goes. I've had one roach so far, that's why I thought I'd start filming again, because I thought yesterday it was going to be a blank, but today we've had some fish, so I'm hoping the fish are there now and we can go. So I'll let you know. I'm actually fishing this section here, and as you can see I'm literally just fishing probably about there, and that's where it slopes off, and it's just right on the bottom of the slope. I've plumbed up, that's where I'm going to fish, and like I said, I've had one roach already. Let's see if we can get a lot more, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. Second fish, another beautiful roach. Ain't got very red eyes, but still a beautiful fish nonetheless. What I'm doing is, no worries on the mat, what I'm doing is he's still...
That's why we have a mat. That's it. Get back in.
What I'm doing is I'm literally fishing an inch off the bottom. So I'll keep doing it and see if we can get a carp. I don't think we will, but we'll keep going.
Take 2.
Right. It's probably a separate video. I want to teach you how to cut this. So what you want to do is have whatever your end tackle is about 2 foot away from the tip of your rod. Okay? And then put your finger over the line, like so. Lift up your bail arm. Gently push it to the side of your head. And in one motion, go forward. And that's the basic cast. I'll do it one more time for you. So again, have your end tackle about 2 foot away from the end of your rod. Your finger over the line. Open the bail arm. And in one motion, inside your head. And release. And that's a basic cast. I've been Luke Stannett. Thank you for watching.
Take 2. Stripping now.
Wow.
Oh god, so I'm not gonna look at you, okay?
2. How's it going, guys? I'm probably going to call the session here. That's a float. I'm going to call into the session here right now. Had a few fish. It's not been as good as I thought it would be. Hey ho, it's been a laugh. I've just been around the lake asking a few people if they've been catching. Don't seem like anyone else is catching, so we'll call it a day. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm going to go and get some lunch and that. See you in a bit.
Pushy.